I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn.
They be like, no, Dejanay. I'm like, no, Dejanay. Then I'm up here saying Dejanay. Don't put that on no damn vlog.
Too late, bitch. Because she done got my name wrong.
I'm talking about
Wrong.
You know?
Wrong. All the way wrong. Who the fuck is Dejanay?
Run me my money. Nigga, run me my money. Bitch, run me my money. Run me my money. Nigga, run me my money. Bitch, run me my money. Run me my money. Yeah, cash out.
I said Dejanay.
Dejanay. That ain't my name.
There's too many people saying it like that, see? And I correct them, and then I come in today. I just gotta go. It's just hot. It's
Guilty.
Hot. See,
Come
he was
on,
ready
bro.
for it to burn.
Yeah, he tried to play like it was nasty. This shit is smooth. Like butter. Sweet like candy.
I sure was ready for it to be nasty.
For real.
It smells so bad.
Oh shit, I tried to do it with this goddamn. I think it was just the liquor smell. Maybe you just didn't like the liquor smell. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, make a drink. I mean, you can take those as shots, though. I mean, don't mess with that. You might as well fill the cup up with the soda.
7 hours later.
Y'all, let me tell you about this. She opened the bottle. Full bottle. She pours about this much in her cup. She's like, nah. This much, y'all. Like, barely where this little neck is. Okay? And then from there to there, y'all see this big ass difference? See this big ass difference? She poured in my cup, while her cup is sitting up here. Not that much liquor from my cup. So if I'm drunk, y'all, it's because of her. Just want y'all to know before a bitch get drunk. Her fault. And what was her advice? Oh, just keep sipping it down. Take it like a G. And then pour more. So we are on our way to San Manuel. Anyways, we're almost there. I'm gonna be able to see the new expansion. I'm waiting for that hotel to hurry up and be built because I really want to be in that. You hear me, San Manuel? I want to be in. Other than that, I'm just sipping away on this. Oh my God. I don't know. I might get an adios because at this point, this is really an adios. Is this what you be talking about, my angles and shit? Yes. Oh, now I get it. Why are we getting off at Del Rosa?
Because, just so you know,
I just want to
after 8 p.m., Highland is closed. I'm so used to getting off of Del Rosa now, so that's why. You see all these red signs? Is the camera showing the red signs?
No, the camera.
That's why.
Okay, I'll show the red signs, though.
Just because I want you to
All
let
these
your
red
followers
signs.
know that I'm not crazy. There's a reason.
And all these red signs, I understand. After 8 p.m., however, it's only like not even 4 p.m. So always fun when Ivy was like, sister. Or. Okay, so when you was talking about the side hustle yesterday, I thought you was talking about the novelty. What the fuck is that man doing? Is he getting out of his clothes? What are you seeing? Look, where that lady at? That's why she went around him. Oh. It's two people. But one guy was taking off his... What the fuck is going on? Okay, I know I'm high. And possibly tipsy. But no. Hold up. Bum, come back up. So you know what I'm talking about. No, that's fucked up. No, you see where that basket's at? Somebody is literally... Oh my gosh. Fucking asshole. Why couldn't you just stand up? Like, you should have everything up here. Anyways, I'm back, y'all. Oh, fuck. Okay, so when she was talking about the side hustle yesterday on her live, I completely thought that she was talking about passion party. Okay, if you guys don't know what a passion party is, it's an adult novelty party. They have lingerie, candies, numbing sprays, dildos, cream. What was that Snatcho Coochie cream thing?
That is a fabulous ad. Can I tell you something though?
Yes.
Passion parties went out of business.
Oh, okay, y'all. Passion parties went out of business. Fuck. What is it called now?
Pure romance.
Oh, okay. So Pure Romance is basically they bought out Passion Party because it's the same shit. Okay, you're still getting dildos, candies, numbing creams, and throat lodges, and candles, and lingerie, and all that shit. Okay, so that's what I thought she was talking about. And then all of a sudden, I see a picture of an imitated pussy. Now, I want to know whose pussy this is, okay? Because not everybody's pussy look like that. I should insert the clip. That would be evil. But I might insert the clip for y'all niggas, okay? But yes. So, that's what she was talking about, her side hustle. Threw me all the way off. And then the person that she was doing an interview with, she got...
Oh, mine is way stronger than yours. And I don't even think my eyes are open.
This is how we win at the casinos.
You didn't want the Casamigos.
Why in the world did that just do that?
It's because it's hot as fuck out here.
Why the fuck did she spit on me? That's
Okay, y'all. I had a speech impediment, okay? And I got these.
That's not an impediment. That is a whole ass spit.
I did not
There's
spit
a
on her.
difference.
I probably did spit on her, but it was an
What you
accident.
mean?
It wasn't like a spit. It was just like I'm a talking, and it just a little bit of spit.
And I'm gonna hurl a whole ass snowball at you. That's what that was.
Oh, I want to go to the snow. Oh, I'm gonna have a lingerie game night. Down? Why not? Marina,
Can I bring my plastic pussies?
Sure, you could bring even Mr. Purple. I don't give a fuck.
Hey guys, so I made it. I'm at San Manuel Casino. Okay, so I'm over here with my sister. She's about to show me what this new expansion is all about. Okay, I'm liking it. They done put a Starbucks right here, and as y'all know, I'm completely bougie. Let me get that Starbucks, honey, cause that gas station shit ain't happening. Okay, so where are we going? SISTAH.
I just need that. I just need to take in the beauty. Did you see all of that?
Yeah.
I'm ready for it. That's all luck. All luck behind you.
It's looking good, San Manuel. Okay. Going to do a little Vegas vibe. I see it. Y'all, this is the walkthrough. My ass forgot. But I'm walking through, alright? They have new games.
That's nice. The room is definitely smoke free. I love that. Having asthma, these motherfuckers shouldn't be smoking in a building anyways. Okay, so where are we going now? Oh, they have another bar. That's not the Enclave.
3 more bars, y'all.
3 bars.
Bars up in here.
So here's one. Oh shit. There we go. Something like that. I'm not going to that one though. Well, she wanted me to go to the expensive ass one. I said first round was on me.
So here we stop there, but
I said,
we're gonna stop at the Enclave, y'all.
Okay. Let me see you walk. 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 Ew. Okay, we drunk with this shit, motherfucker. Okay, anyways, this is the second one. Overlook bar. It's a lounge. It looks nice. We might have to get our drinks from here. Oh, she's at a no.
Not happening. You got first round, right? Not happening.
This is nice though. This new Spencer's look really good.
Ready to go downstairs?
Oh shit, there's a downstairs?
Oh, that's where our bar is.
No wonder it's $20 fucking, yo. Wait, where is the... I gotta walk my fat ass downstairs?
No, slide down the road.
I thought there was a... Woo! Shit, I almost fell. It's okay. Make sure I got that shit on camera. He sure did.
You know you're coming up with some expensive drinks when you get the expensive stores.
Oh, this is the his.
And we're about to come up on the hers.
I remember it from your video. Okay.
Hers.
Let's look at the hers.
And right next to the hers, Cash and Carrie.
Niggas is already spending 20 bands up in this bitch, but yet they still nice ass purses though.
When we win that jackpot, we're about to use one of these to carry our money out.
I do need a travel. I done made it to the Enclave. That door looks super secret. She's running. No running at all. This is where her fucking like $30 drink is. Okay. I do like the decor though. It really is. Are we gonna get this drink?
Yes.
So they can know how $40 just went gone. The Pines. We are coming for you tonight. Just not this one. This is really nice.
The fourth edition.
Now, the fact that they have 4 bars, that's kind of ridiculous.
Yeah, lovely. You can pass that up. It's not open, and it has a DJ station, but they got 4.
A DJ station.
Off your top left.
Oh, there it is. Well, it's not open, but it looks nice.
Coming back to that.
Yeah.
Alright.
I wonder if they're doing like events or like, is this gonna be like more of a club feel? I didn't think I was gonna get it, but I got the Mighty Cash. Yes. She got the Mighty Cash too. Okay, so mine's just low numbers because I'm low wedding. So, come on. This. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stay, 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 stay. Oh, one more spin, you guys. Last spin. I don't know which one to get. Oh, 2 spins. It's okay. 2 extra spins. At the bar trying to get me and Lynette some drinks, and then after that well, I ordered some french fries and onion rings. And then after that we're definitely gonna hit up the Pines, then we're gonna be done with San Manuel. We're gonna hit up 2 other casinos. It don't look like I'm going to work tomorrow. I mean, I'm already thinking about a whole car trouble right now. Some man next to me, but oh well. Got my mask on because don't trust these hoes. My sister, aka Lynette, is right behind me. So, we're just gonna see. These streets look good. Okay, let's see if it tastes good. Yep, she made this right. It tastes real good. Okay, I'll see you. Funny. The infamous water I spilled. It's so delicious with extra broccoli.